Hey, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to show you how to remove the door panel on this 2023 Toyota Venza. Let's get started. So you would need a Phillips screwdriver and a 5/16 socket or an 8mm one. Couldn't find the 8mm, so I used the 5/16. Either way, it should work. Let's remove the felt mat that's inside this handle and the plastic cover that's on the door lever. It should just pop right out. So the Phillips is there and the bolt is there. So the screw and the bolt. Now the screws are gone, let's start popping the panels. Let's take our pry tool and start with the edges first. Just keep prying and pulling. Be careful not to pry where the light is, because you might break the bulb if you do. So try to avoid prying that area. But once everything is loose, just start pulling. It should just come right off. I'm taking the windowsill off of this door panels because we're going to tint it, and it's easier access for us when we do tint the window, so that's why we're removing it. Now let's get the wires disconnected so we can pull the panel out. This is for the window, the lock, and the light. And this is for the doors. That's for the door lock, I believe. Just remove it. And that's for the door lever. Now this switch is tough. It's so hard. Come out. It's important not to pull on the wire because you might break it. Once that's off, the door should just come right out. So there you go. That's how you take the panel off of a 2023 Toyota Venza. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.